Automotive and engine technologies pass through an unbelievably fast improvement. Each day, a new option adds up to engines with developed fuel-saving, low emission, and enhanced performance technology. These splendid machines need components produced in production lines equipped with advanced technology. Elzem Automotive is one of those spare part manufacturers which markets its products under the brand VAX. At Elzem, metal combined with technology is converted to power. Thanks to its expertise on systems and an excellent knowledge of engineering, Elzem has become one of the biggest manufacturers of products such as valves, valve guides and inserts. With a strong financial structure, a bold and enterprising management perspective, and its skilled staff, Elzem stands as a strong supplier in the automotive sector. Elzem VAX engine valves started production in a workshop in 1993, reaching a much larger production capacity in 1998. Currently, Elzem VAX engine valves continues production in its facility with a closed space of 3,500 meters square and a total surface of 6,000 meters square located in the Konya Organized Industrial Zone. Building on its capacity to respond to any need according to the demands and requirements of its customers, Elzem can manufacture products for every vehicle producer and model. Elzem VAX engine valves has reached a production capacity of 2.2 million units per year as of the end of 2014, selling 40% of its products to the domestic market and exporting the remaining 60% to the European, Middle Eastern and African countries and the US. As a holder of the international quality certificates ISO 9001-2008 to Austria, Elzem VAX engine valves keeps ramping up its market share, highlighting the customer satisfaction motto as a priority. Elzem VAX engine valves offers a guarantee of 2 years and 100,000 kilometers against failures due to material and manufacturing defects on all of its products. Elzem meets national and international manufacturing and product standards certified with ISO, TS and TSC 11147 standards. Elzem Automotive guarantees production quality thanks to a nearly 100% experienced staff and its equipment pool of CNC, NC and PLC controlled machines. This technology enables Elzem to offer its customers high performance and reliability. At Elzem Automotive, product and service quality is considered as the source of unconditional customer satisfaction, while the client is regarded as a business partner and the staff as family. Elzem's production line, where the most advanced technology available is used to manufacture engines running on dual, diesel, LPG and CNG, consists of a casting section, a press section, a heat treatment section, a metal section, a grind section, a hard chrome plating section, an R&D section, a quality control section, and a packaging section. From the processing of raw materials to packaging, each stage of production works as a quality control point. To ensure quality, the product is checked in each production stage according to the control plans. After the production, the quality of the valves are measured, inspected, and tested at the final quality control lab equipped with sensitive measuring devices in accordance with final control plan. Following the final control stage, valves are packed and made ready for delivery. Wax valve guides obtained from grey cast irons using special alloy materials and spectral analyzers are processed in controlled and sensitive processing stands produced with advanced technology. Valve guides are given their final size at honing process following the remaining stage. Wax engine valve inserts are made of ceramic casting and when processed using sensitive CNC machines. Having an integrated manufacturing system from the choice of the best raw material to hassle-free processing, Elzem stands and will continue standing at the heart of durable and high-performance engines. Elzem Automotive.